us make up the living world around us. Nevertheless, over the past 500 years, man has conclusively destroyed more than 800 species of flora and fauna. That's why it's so important today to preserve the rare animals on our native lands. They are living symbols of the unique nature and ecology of the country. Korgaljan Nature Reserve, included in the UNESCO World Heritage List. Here, on Lake Tengiz, lives the pink flamingo. The one-of-a-kind Caspian seals live in the Mangistau region. This kind is not found anywhere else in the world. The Betpak Dala Desert has been a refuge for saigas since time immemorial. The Kazakhstan climate is also suitable for bison. For them, the Karkarali National Park replaces the American prairies. The Almaty Reserve is the natural cradle of the snow leopard. The strong, graceful, regal, and proud ibis is the symbol of Kazakhstan. And there is one simple rule that we should always remember.
Today we will preserve nature.
Tomorrow nature will preserve us.